Welcome to BillMithra. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to take your first order. Let's go. Open BillMithra. You'll see all your item categories right on the home screen. Tap any category, then tap an item to add it to the cart. The quantity updates automatically. Add as many items as your customer needs. When you're ready, just tap Pay. BillMithra pulls up the bill with every item and your total calculated for you instantly. Now choose how your customer wants to pay: cash, UP, card, or split. Paying cash. Enter what they hand you and BillMithra shows the change instantly. UPI and card are right there too, just one tap. And the smartest one, split, perfect when a group wants to share a single bill across multiple methods at once. The moment payment clears, your bill is saved, GST ready with the full tax breakdown. Print it or share on WhatsApp in a tap. Then hit New Order to start fresh, and you're back in business in under a second. BillMithra, India's first AI-powered POS for small businesses. Use every feature free for 30 days, then plans start at just 199 rupees a month. Start free today at BillMithra.in. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.